Bandon Dunes, here we come. Airspeed alive. Rotate. Pitch for 86. Six, 600 caps available.
6123 Zulu Mike, contact Seattle departure. Have a good day.
Switch you over to Seattle departure. Good day. 123 Zulu Mike.
Challenger 604 Whiskey Alpha, climb maintain flight level 230, contact Seattle Center 127.05.
Up to 230 and 2705. Good day for Whiskey Alpha.
Seattle approach, Cirrus 1230 Mike, climbing to 1000.
Cirrus 123 Zulu Mike, Seattle departure radar contact, climb maintain 4000.
4000, 123 Mike.
Horizon 2388, clear direct normie.
Direct normie, Horizon 2388.
Oh, it's crazy looking.
Should record this. I don't even get this.
Horizon 2388, climb maintain 15,000.
Climb maintain 15,000, Horizon 2388.
Oh, this is cool. Been about this high above the cloud.
So beautiful.
Joe, did you remember your earplugs?
Nah. I only need those when I have a call.
Departure, United 278 with the climbing 2 for 7,000.
United 278, Seattle departure radar contact, climb maintain 9,000.
Climb maintain 9,000, United 278.
iPhone video doesn't do it justice. Pretty crazy looking.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, well.
Right above the cloud layer. How high can we go up, right?
We only gonna fly 6 to 8,000, so. Seattle approach, Cirrus 1230 Zulu Mike 4000 on the 160 heading.
Cirrus 123 Zulu Mike, Seattle approach, welcome. The altimeter is 2997, turn right heading 220.
220 for 123 Zulu Mike. So this is the fuel, how much we have left.
Gate 79,
the fuel burn, we're burning 12 gallons per hour.
Gate 79, departure radar contact, climbing maintain 15,000.
The airspeed we flying estimated to the next waypoint. So like 4 miles to the next waypoint and all this distance until we get to North Bend. But basically, there's a smaller airport next to Bandon that's only 15 miles away, 15 minutes driving distance away. But that one doesn't have instrument approach, meaning I cannot use instrument to land.
Right. So
I have to find the closest that have the instrument approach. So that's the North Bend. That's the bigger regional airport. I'm just gonna use this to break through the cloud, and then once we're below the cloud, we can fly visually to, if the weather permit, weather should clear up there, then we're gonna fly to, but the worst case we go to North Bend, which is 30 to 35 minutes away. Yeah, the person who's gonna pick us up will be inclined to go to either way.
Alaska Gate 53, contact Seattle Center 128.3, good day.
1283, last gate 59,
a lot of coordination, but things are coming together. I'm happy.
Yeah.
thanks, Ryan.
Super amazing.
Look at this view, man. You feel like you can just walk over to Rainier.
Yeah.
Right?
Awesome.
That's so funny.
Cloud right there is pretty funny.
Yep.
That's
Like a little burst of cloud there. That about.
Yeah, if it's over the mountain, then that's not a good thing. So they call the lenticulus cloud. If you see this, like this disc above the, like a cab over the mountain, it tells you significant of turbulence there.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's a big no-no for pilots. Oh, Jim, do you mind grab the sandwich for me? Oh, it's behind my seat.
Huh?
Oh, no. Thank you.
Oh, I thought you said. I thought you said sand wedge.
Oh.
I was like, what the hell are you talking about? Sandwich.
Not
Got
that
it.
cocky.
And then Jim was getting breakfast this morning. I was like, wow.
So thoughtful. Looks like we'll be in a cloud for a little bit. In and out.
What's the difficulty of these courses?
Training?
No, the difficulty of the courses we're playing.
The golf course?
Yeah.
The funny thing.
Is it like Chambers Bay like?
Now, the funny thing is the difficulty of the course is also the difficulty of flying to there. They're always gusting along the coast. So you could have like 40-mile headwind teed off, you know, or 40-mile tailwind to teed off. So when playing into the wind is a big concern. But today and tomorrow, somehow very calm.
Oh, good.
So great for flying safety. It probably not as challenging. Bandon Dunes has the two courses along the coastline. The north one called the Pacific, south one called the Bandon. Pacific one ranked slightly higher, but they're both really good.
131 Alpha,
We're gonna play Pacific one day, Bandon tomorrow. They have another course called the Old Madonna. It has every shot you hit, the approach shot, you'll be on the green because the green is like 60 feet wide. You'll be putting like 50, 60 feet to the pin. They also have another course called the Bandon Trail. It's a lot of precision shots, like very narrow fairway and stuff. Surprisingly, I shot 89 at Pacific last time I went. But we had a caddy. It always saves you at least, I want to say 10 stroke. Just like tell you how to putt.
Oh yeah.
You know, it helps.
You will.
And they watch the balls for you. So we're getting a caddy, just a group caddy, just so that we get all the local information. We probably get a push car to push our own bag. Unless he can carry 2 bags, but I don't care to push. So
Right.
at least we get one group. Caddy is like $100, you know. But tomorrow we should get one too. I don't know. I didn't reserve one. We were gonna play one round. And then it's like, you know, we're already here. Let's do another one.
I like it.
But originally, because we're playing so far out, we don't know.
369
if we
Towson,
get
Roger,
rain now
descend via the
stuff,
Timber
and
2,
there's
arrival
no
landing
refund.
east, D12 now, Timber
So
2997.
my original plan was that playing today, if it get rain out, we still can try tomorrow. So that's the idea. And then when we get closer, weather looks promising, we actually add another one in last week or something, yeah.
Good plan, Ryan. It was a good plan.
Number 3, Mike Zulu, clear direct Bandon State, I maintain 4,000.
The same maintain 4,000 to Bandon State, and the call sign is 123 Zulu Mike.
123 Zulu, Mike, Roger.
Alright, push it direct to Bandon State. That's awesome.
That's sweet.
Helicopter 2, Echo Victor, can you accept 12000 as final?
And I was hoping to fly over Bandon Dunes.
Information X-ray current, North Bend Airport.
So we see what happens later. As soon as I get through the cloud, we can cancel IFR. We can fly however we want. But wow, look at over there.
Yeah, I think that's Coos Bay. Coming up on it. Gorgeous. Fly right over that at 10 feet.
So airport should be around here. Between, should be somewhere around. Woo! So that's the OTH, the North Bend Airport that we're gonna land.
Wow, right on the water.
Yeah, really beautiful. If we break through the cloud, if you can take a picture of that later for me.
Yeah, I got that. This text message is hanging right now. I got 4G.
Okay, it probably...
Hey, November 3 Zulu Mike, does it look like you'll be able to get the ground contact there at 4,000?
There's just some cloud in front of us, maybe like another 2-3 miles, but it looks clear after that.
November 3 Zulu Mike, roger. Turn left heading 160.
160 for 1230 Mike.
Scout 3091, South Center, climb maintain, flight level 230.
Oh, too bad. You just lost your airport.
Yeah, sorry. I guess he's helping the DVA.
Number 1 Mike Foxtrot 15 left is approved. Report direct Sammy.
So we get a little bit diverted. Wow, look at that airport.
I know. I got a picture of it already.
Thank you. Woo!
Number 790, South Center, good afternoon. Climb maintain, flight level 230.
That would be my Wind Tip Wednesday. They have a, not like context, but...
Scout 376 Tango, then maintain 5,000 and proceed outbound on the approach, or on the arc after Lucy.
All right, 5,000 and we'll join the arc after Loopsy, SkyWest 376 Tango.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy!
You guys just becoming very experienced in flying into the cloud.
Yeah.
Number 1 Mike Foxtrot, thank you. Number 1 Mike Foxtrot, you can contact Cascade Approach 124.3 and let them know you're direct Sammy.
Whoa! Oh, that was awesome.
It's a rough one.
Base.
Yeah, we just flew right by North Bend. Oh, Bandon's
Oh, the coast is clear.
coast is clear. That's where that came from.
Huh.
November 3 Zulu Mike, and for terrain, I'm going to need to climb you in about 3 minutes, so just let me know if you get the airport in sight, and if not, then in 3 minutes you can expect to climb.
Roger, actually we can cancel IFR, proceed VFR to Bandon State. If we can stay on for flight following, that would be great.
Alright, 3 Zulu Mike, roger, squawk VFR, remain this code for, or correction, remain this code for flight following.
Squad VFR for 1230 Mike.
Altitude.
Ham flying.
Canceled out?
Yep.
Hey. Nice. You see a little window? Let's fly right through that. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Bandon Dune is ahead.
Oh yeah, let me see if I can fly over it, take some pictures.
Yeah, exactly. We are heading right to it. In fact, you're a little too far south.
I need to stay below the cloud to be legal, so will it be a rapid descent for your year? But looks like we will be good after this.
November 3 Zulu Mike, I'm probably going to lose you on radar and on radio here in a little bit, so Frequency change is approved. If you need anything, just try to get me back on this frequency.
Roger, thank you very much for your help. 1230 Mike, good day.
30 Mike, good day.
Woo, that is gorgeous. Alright, I got it.
Wow, 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 wow.
Airport.
Bandon traffic, Cirrus 1230 Mike, 4 mile north of the airport. We'll be joining the downwind for runway 34, 4-stop landing, Bandon. Alright, landing checklist. Cancel.
Camera doesn't do it justice.
Oh.
No tower here?
Bandon traffic, Cirrus 1230 Mike, base for runway 34, 4-star landing, Bandon. Bandon traffic, Cirrus 1230 Mike, on final for runway 34, 4-star
500.
landing, Bandon.
Check runway. Minimums.
A lot of side wind.
Nice.
The good news here is we're on the ground. The bad news is I have no reception out here.
Oh, still?
Joe, you're on Verizon, right?
I'm on Verizon.
You may have it.
I have LTE and reception.
Nothing.
Bandon traffic, Cirrus 1230 Mike, clear runway 34, Bandon traffic. Alright guys, we are successfully landed. That has some AC going on. I need to go through checklist, so bear with me.